you? Are you a monkey with clever toes? Perhaps you're a porcupine. A porcupine twitching its nose. Are you an eagle exploring the skies? Perhaps you're a gecko with rolling eyes. Are you a lion with dust on its paws? Perhaps you're a hippo with yawning jaws. Are you a leopard with dust on its paws? What's this one?
Dozing.
Dozing at dust. Perhaps you're an elephant wielding its tusk. Are you a warthog, hilarious and hairy? Perhaps you're an alligator. Crocodile, silent and scary. Are you a zebra, sipping a drink? Perhaps you're an owl with a wicked wink. No? Then who are you, baby? Wait, let me guess. Are you my treasure? The answer is yes!